into your house, walked up the stairs, and I opened your door without ringing the bell. Walked down the hall into your room where I could smell you, and I shouldn't be here without permission. Shouldn't be here. Would you forgive me, love, if I ain't seen your shower? Would you forgive me, love, if I laid in your bed? Would you forgive me, love, if I stay on after love? I took off my clothes, put on your robe, and I went through your drawers and I found your cologne. Went down to the den, found your CDs, and I played your Jolene. And I shouldn't stay long. You might be home soon. Shouldn't stay long. Would you forgive me, love, if I didn't sit in your shower? Would you forgive me, love, if I laid in your bed? Would you forgive me, love, if I stay on